Hello students, we are going to discuss about Unit 1 Morals, Values and Ethics. First we are going to discuss about ethics. What is ethics? Set of principles or standard of human conduct which govern the behavior of individual or organization, which was given by religion, laws, influence and guidelines. Branch of knowledge that deal with moral principles. Examples of ethics in day-to-day life: from saying good morning with a smile to ending our day with a polite good night. From obeying our elders to respecting decision of our sibling and friends. To express right or wrong in a way so as to not hurt others, plus not compromising your self-respect. Another example of ethics in day-to-day life: helping people in small things, listening to someone's problem without making fun of him or her, encouraging and motivating someone for achieving goals. All these are daily examples of ethics. It is entirely up to person what they follow and what not. Next we are going to discuss about morals. Dalai Lama says that wherever I go meeting the public, spreading a message of human values, spreading a message of harmony is the most important thing. Moral values are the worthy principle that one follow to distinguish the right from the wrong. Which one is the right? Which one is the wrong? These virtues are considered worthy in building up the character of an individual. Moral values refer to the good virtues such as honesty, integrity, truthfulness, helpfulness, love, respectfulness, hard work, etc. What are the examples of moral rules in society? Tell the truth, do not destroy property, have courage, keep our promises, do not cheat, treat others as you want to be treated, do not judge, respect others. Moral reasons. Moral reasons include respecting others and ourselves, respecting the right of others, keeping promises, avoiding unnecessary problems to others, avoiding cheating and dishonesty, showing gratitude to others and encourage them to work. This is compliment. Ethics and moral. Moral is similar to ethics, and many people use the two words interchangeably and derived from the Latin mores, mean custom or habit. Morals are based on religious belief and social influence and group norms. Next one, values. Let us understand difference between principles and values. Principles are universal truth and values are individual choices. Normally, values we derive from our family, religion, community and society, etc. No one else can decide values on your behalf. Different organizations have different values and we have to follow. They may be contradictory to our own belief. Personally, I follow 3 principles. First one, love all beings, harm no one. Second one, do your duty even though other party is not doing their duty. Third one, keep enhancing my wisdom by continuous learning. Types of values. Values can be classified into 5 types. One is right context, second one peace, third one truth, fourth one love, last one non-violence. One by one we will discuss. First one, right context. Examples of right context. Right context is living in a moral and ethical way in the absolute sense rather than by the standard of any particular time or society. What are the good manners for students? Say please, say thank you, apologies, smile and have a good attitude. Second one, peace. Example of peace is a feeling you have on a quiet Sunday morning as you sit on a deck in the wood and watch the birds. Third one, truth. Example of truth is someone giving their real age, the state or quality of being true to someone or something. Truth to one's own feeling is all important in life. Generally, true fact, genuine depiction or statement of reality. According to Mahatma Gandhi, there is no God higher than truth. Love. Love is defined as to show or have deep attraction, affection or emotional attachment to a person, people or thing. Example of love is greeting a good friend with a big hug. Another example, watching an amazing dancer dance. Last one, non-violence. According to Mahatma Gandhi, great example of using non-violence as well as non-resistance during his struggle. First to apply non-violence, a political field, helped India win its independence in the year of 1947. Never use any weapons when trying to fight for what he feels is right. Was never afraid to get hurt or killed. Thank you for your attention.